What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about even more FL Studio 21 beta features, and that is crossfades, okay? This is some super sauce. They should have had this in FL, but they finally do, and it's sauce, sauce, sauce. I'm going to keep saying that, all right? So check it. So on the FL Studio forum page, we got this nice little graphic that kind of shows everything. It also talks about it. I will link this down in the description if you want to go check this out, if you'd rather read about it yourself. But yeah, it's going to talk about everything that you can do now with the volume envelopes and controls and these fades and these crossfades and all that. So essentially, with any track, any audio clip, you now have crossfades like this, as you can see. You have to turn it on though, okay? So to turn it on, you're going to want to go over to this spot right here in FL Studio. You want to go over to the focus audio clips. When you hover over stuff, it'll tell you what it is in the hint panel. So when I hover over this, up at the top left there, it says focus audio clips. We want to click that one, and then we want to click this button right here, this little X. When it's off, it looks grayed out like that, and when it's on, it's white like that. But this is the show fade editing controls, all right? If that's not on, you're not gonna see these controls down here. All right, so when you hover over an audio clip, you'll see that little highlighted arrow in the corner. We can make this bigger so you can see it more. It's right there in the corner, and that just lets you drag this. You also got a tension knob right in the middle. You can mess with the curve, all right? That's pretty nice. You can actually right-click it as well and reset the fade and tension. You can type in value, or you could change the curve. All right, you can have it be something like this. And then also down here, you got a volume knob for the actual audio clip. So you can gain stage it, make it loud or quiet right here inside the actual sample. As you can see right there, that waveform would be very loud. That's 36 decibels of additional gain. So we'll just bring that back down to 0. You can right click it and reset the gain. So if we take a couple audio clips here, let's just take this one here. And then we'll do this one right here. So no matter how many times you chop it up, it's going to always be, each chop is going to have a unique crossfade, as you can see right here. You can do it on both sides. You can fade them in and out. And so if we chop them up, take these two here. If we overlap them, they're going to automatically start crossfading. That's on by default, so that's really nice. Now this works only if both the clips are set to default, meaning that there's no fade in or fade out. So if it was something like this and I tried doing it, it would do it on the other one, but not on this main one. Now if we do it like that, as you can see, nothing happens since it's already technically crossfaded. So if you notice that it shows the actual animation of it getting quieter and louder, you can see it in the waveform. If that actually is annoying to you, or it's kind of throwing you off, you need to see some of that waveform at the end for whatever reason, you can actually go into the drop down arrow, go to view, you can turn that off. It's right here, show fade preview and audio clips. Boom, it will turn it off for you. So keep that in mind if you would rather prefer it to be like this. But yeah, that's pretty much it on the new crossfades. I'll have the link for the forum down in the below so you can check that screenshot out, and so you can read more about it if you want. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, everybody. Peace.